Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x plus 49 by x plus 48 is equals to minus 34 and we have to find the value of 6x plus 247 power 5050 plus 49 by 6x plus 247 power 5050. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I am going to take this equation and consider it as equation number 1. Now I'm going to add 48 to both sides. So the equation becomes x plus 48 plus 49 by x plus 48 is equals to minus 34 plus 48, that is plus 14. Now I'm taking a substitution. So let's substitute x plus 48 as a. It's equals to a. So we can write it as a plus 49 by a is equals to 14. Now I'm taking LCM. So a, and here a square plus 49 is equals to 14. We are doing cross multiplication. So it becomes a square plus 49 is equals to 14a. Now I'm going to subtract 14a from both sides. So the equation becomes a square minus 14a plus 49 is equals to 0. Now it's look like a quadratic equation. So we can do the middle term split method. So we can write 14a as minus 7a plus 49 is equals to 0. So I'll take a as common. So a minus 7. Similarly, I can take minus 7 as common. So a minus 7 is left. So now we have two roots, a minus 7 and a minus 7. So as you can see, both the roots are same. So value of a is 7. Now we make a substitution. X plus 48 is equals to a. So we can find the value of x. So x plus 48 is equals to a. So x plus 48 is equals to 7. Now we'll subtract 48 from both sides. So it becomes x is equals to 7 minus 48. So the value of x is minus 41. Now we have to solve this. So I'm going to put minus 41 in place of x in this equation. So we can write it as 6 times minus 41 plus 247 power 5050 plus 49 by 6 times minus 41 plus 247 power 5050. Now, if we multiply this, we get 246 minus plus 247 power 5050 plus 49 by minus 246 plus 247 power 5050. Now it becomes the power of 1 power 5050 plus 49 by 1 power 5050. So 1 power 5050 is 1 only plus 49 by 1. So it becomes 1 plus 49, that is 50. I hope it's clear and you understand it. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.